trick shots all day. I finally got more storage on my phone. I bought a memory card. I actually just deleted all my pictures. And I got something for you to show you. You're probably gonna laugh, you bigger YouTubers. But wait till you see this. I'm kind of walking around just to walk. But Panda made us a play button. Wait, how's it go? I don't know why it doesn't even. Brand new bike, just got at Christmas. It's already awesome. Because it's been like that forever. I should probably put it in these. Panda made us play button 4 subs. Let's try to get that up, please. Thank you. Here comes Wild Wade. Wild Wade! I don't know. Something just told me to call you that. And it's 4 subs. It's like Alex, Panda's brother, Panda, Kyle on Duty 95, and
subscribe to all of them.
Yeah, shout out to all them people. Kyle _ on _ Duty 95, no underscore. Alright, so just look at it. I mean, I don't care if it's fake and with the terrible handwriting, but it didn't accomplish me. That's one of many. We're gonna get the 4. We're gonna get the 1 million, the 10.
Oh yeah, Fluky gave us a shout out, by the way.
Yeah, shout out. No, he didn't. Did he? No, I think he did. Shout out to Fluky, I think that's his name.
Shout out to Dude Perfect, just because.
Wait, that's like 25 million people watch the channel. I don't think they need a shout. Wait! Stop it! What if you hit one of them, man?
I'm hitting one of the high pop-ups.
No, that way. That way.
Charlie!
No.
Wait! Oh, I nailed him.
So, I got a video idea, and click like if you want to see it. Alright, click like. It's going to be a fishing video, and it's going to be about 20 minutes long. I'm going to strap my phone to my chest, and it's going to be really, really high quality.
Yeah, we're going fishing in about
2-3 days.
Click. If Waylon makes another YouTube channel, I will not be here. Well, yeah.
No, wait.
If Waylon
wait, you should get your own channel.
I want to be with you.
Well, you can.
No, just wait. After this.
Just like,
if Waylon...
Wait. Sunday and Crandall play Sky Factory together, and every other series. Crandall has his own channel, so does Sunday. So, yeah.
Alright. If Waylon makes another YouTube channel, I will not be there. Because more than likely I'll be at my friend's house.
You mean another YouTube video?
Yes.
Yeah. It's not my fault. But
4 subs. We'll probably get more. We'll probably get about 20 or 30.
If y'all... Oh, I got another video idea.
Hit 50 likes. Or hit 50 or 50 subs.
Good Lord. What do you
50 likes.
Wait, no, that's like asking for $1 million from a homeless dude.
50 subs at least.
No.
10.
Look at that. Wait.
10 subs at least. 10. And just get about 15 likes or 15 subs. 15 likes or 15 subs.
I don't think there's anything wrong with talking around. I talk like all the time. But now,
15 subs or 15 likes. You can comment too. Leave a comment if you want.
How much I do this? I hope I did. Thanks for watching, everyone. Click the like button. Click the subscribe button if you're new. Click the like button. Alright. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.